صحت اوس څنګه ده؟ How is your health now? How is your health now? زه اوس هم ښه نه یم. I am still not well. I am still not well. ته چیرته اوسېږې یا چیرته ژوند کوې؟ Where do you live? Where do you live? ستا کور چیرته ده؟ Where is your house? Where is your house? زما کور په 8مه کوڅه کې ده. My house is on 7th Street. My house is on 7th Street. ستا پلار څه کار کوي؟ What does your father do? What does your father do? هغه یو تجار ده. He is a trader. He is a trader. ته څومره ماشومان لرې؟ How many children do you have? How many children do you have? زه 5 ماشومان لرم. I have 5 children. I have 5 children. ته څومره پیسې لرې په بانک کې؟ How much money do you have in bank? How much money do you have in bank? زه $1,00,000 لرم په بانک کې. I have $100,000 in bank. I have $100,000 in bank. زه په بانک کې $1,00,000 لرم. ته څه کار کوې یا ستا وظیفه څه ده؟ What do you do? What do you do? زه پیلوټ یم. I am a pilot. I am a pilot. ستا سره نغدې پیسې شته؟ Do you have cash? Do you have cash? No. نه. ستا تر ټولو ښه ملګری څوک ده یا نږدې ملګری څوک ده؟ Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? علي زما نږدې ملګری ده. Ali is my best friend. Ali is my best friend. علي زما تر ټولو نږدې ملګری ده. هغه کله مړ شو یا هغه کله وفات شو؟ When did he die? When did he die? هغه تېره ورځ مړ شو. He died yesterday. He died yesterday. ستا مشر ورور څه کار کوي؟ What does your elder brother do? What does your elder brother do? What does your elder brother do? هغه د موټرو مستري ده. He is an auto mechanic. He is an auto mechanic. ته زما خبرو پوهېږې؟ Do you catch my words? Do you catch my words? Oh, بله. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. دلته تر ټولو نږدې دکان چیرته ده؟ Where is the nearest store here? Where is the nearest store here? مخامخ لاړ شه مخامخ لاړ شه او چپ طرف ته ورځه. Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn left. آیا هغه باوري ده؟ Is he a trustful? Is he a trustful? بالکل هغه زما نږدې ملګری ده. Certainly he is my close friend. Certainly he is my close friend. هغه زما خبره ومنله. He accepted my word. He accepted my word.